how long have you been a Cornwell dealer?
About a year and 6 months.
And what did you do before you became a Cornwell dealer?
So I did 10 years in the military.
Yeah.
And I did 4 years active, 6 years inactive. That was prior to everything. I was looking for a little bit more than your average 9 to 5. And I wanted to do things on my own and see how I perform that for myself. I chose Cornwell because of the program they have for veterans, the 0% on your interest on your loans. They seemed very family oriented, and it just seemed like the direction that I wanted to head my own family towards.
And how long did you think about changing careers before you did?
It was a couple of years. I looked at a lot of different franchising options. I was looking for something turnkey support, and the biggest is supporting veterans. And that's where I came into Cornwell.
And any specific way you heard about Cornwell?
So I was at my friend's shop. I met his Cornwell dealer, and I asked him what he did, how did he like it, and I heard nothing but positive feedback. And I checked into it myself, and he offered a ride on his truck so that I could see how day in the life of a tool guy was, and I was impressed, so it helped out a lot.
Do you have any help in your business with family or friends?
Yes, I have support. My wife supports me through all of it. She's there for, the emotional times, the good times, and then my kids, help out whatever so often on the truck themselves. So, and they come for rides once in a while. My life's been, a bunch of challenges since getting out of the Marine Corps. I've had lots of ups and downs, and having Cornwell, being able to have focus on something that I'm building myself, and that's given me a lot of positive enforcement.
What advice do you have for someone considering becoming a tool dealer?
Make sure you give it your all. Don't just dip your toe in the water. Make sure you jump in. Because of the way Cornwell does things, it didn't seem like there was a lot of things that were hidden. So everything was out front, and the best thing to make sure that you have is your support system in line before you step foot on the truck. You can be your own boss. I'm Jeremie, Fortier, and I'm a Cornwell dealer.